Today I will speak to you. It may be bad. I told Amarabo and I told the federal Abraba, I want to speak first before you confirm anything on me. He said no. I said, look, if they confirm me that they finish, I will talk my mind. If anybody tells you, as far as I is concerned, that the Calabari people who have not contributed, the person is a joker. They have. And that is why, without your prompting, I want to tell you, I'm not one of those anybody can push based on sentiment. No. No way. I'm too strong. I'm too strong. Look, you know, let me tell you what's happening at the national level. Let me tell you. Now, you will ask yourself, they say the economy of Nigeria is going down. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? They say so much unemployment. Is it not correct? The rate of unemployment is high. Is it not correct? Is it not correct? No, but you see every day, some companies post profit and profit and profit. Right? If the economy, if they are profiting the profit, who are the beneficiaries of the profit? The poor men are dying. The rich men are getting high profit. Not be so? Not be so? No employment going on. Yet, people are posting high profit. No amount of gang up, not one, can make PDP to provide somebody who will want to run election for interest of some big men, but not for Nigerians. It will not work. Anybody wants to be candidate of PDP must be candidate for the interest of Nigerians. Nobody, not one. Not one. If they like you, the whole meeting in Abuja. If they like you, the whole meeting in Lagos. I, your son, I will truncate all those things. You know, they say, when jungle matures, we know who is there. Nobody can toy with River State. You can have your money, we don't have money. But we have God. The day the South will speak, Nigeria will shake. Let me tell all of you, nobody should be afraid. Not one. We believe in the unity of this country and will maintain the unity of this country. But nobody can threaten us. Nobody should threaten us. We believe in the unity of Nigeria, and the unity of Nigeria will continue. And that is why we are doing everything we can do to make sure. So anybody going around that you want to make money, not PDP, you can make it that the other party, not here. We will kill it and bury it. We will kill it and do what? Bury it. Well, here, you think I'm this traditional ruler for nothing. You think they just made me traditional ruler for nothing. You know why you made me traditional, not so? I will pepper them.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.